again. Fire burn again. Them can't escape this now.
I know I know how to cook, yeah, but I need to know how to chef it. Hey, Ringo! It's 24-hour kitchen and cooking with Ringo Vision. I've seen it on television, looking like he's on a mission. Cooked the perfect Sunday dinner and I only had to listen. Give me every measurement and everything that I was missing. I needed rice, I needed peas, I needed chicken. My belly started rumbling, the food was finger licking. The food was falling off the bowl and ready for the picking. Ringo had the vision with 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen.
This is looking so amazing, everyone. Look at this. Yeah, roast fish and green banana boiled. Yes, everyone, you haven't had boiled green banana on the program yet? All right.
Yes, everyone, you know what I want. It's Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen. We're outside. Yeah, man, it's a simple thing today, people. Yeah, we're cooking green banana boiled with the butterfly fish. You know what I want? But what I'm really showing you today is the green banana because you've never had green banana on the program. So yeah, man, today, come with me. That's how the vibes, you know. You know, so we're in the park and we're outside, we're in the nature. Yeah, man, show them say people outside said way, man, and we're just there, we are doing things said way. So what happened today, people, yeah, I boiled the banana. Normally you peel the banana and take the banana out of the skin, but what I've done, come and have a look and see what I've done with the banana. I've actually boiled the banana inside of the skin. So what I've done, I've just used a knife and I've pared round inside. I've pared round inside with the knife. So when it's time to, you put your banana on your plate and you just simply open the skin. Easy, you understand, people? And as you can see, we've got the butterfly fish as well here, grilling up as well, people, yeah? Yeah, man, a 24-hour kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And you know, say, we're using our natural culture, you know, African and Jamaican culture. Naturally, this is how we know originally, yeah, back home, we would have been cooking outside, not inside. So we're just embracing that here. We're in London, England. Yeah, man, and there's a good vibe. So I want to tell everybody that's in the world somewhere, embrace your culture. We're embracing our culture, African, Caribbean. Yeah, man, originally from Jamaica, but big up all the people them in the world and big up the whole of YouTube people. We've done now, so we're there, outside. You can see today, people, yeah, we've got a nice dark coat in colour on our fish towards the end. Why? Because we use the Jamaican fish and meat sauce. So I use the Jamaican fish and meat sauce also with the all-purpose seasoning, everybody. Yeah, man, it's a good vibe. So have a look. And this is one of our completed fish. Yeah, man, it's a good vibe. We're outside. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, man. We're there. And look, some more ingredients I've just turned up. So, you know, say I'm gonna add the colors now and finish off the, you understand, the meal. Green banana boiled with fish, people. A good vibe. It's people, as you know, yeah, hygiene and cleanliness is a big part of what we do and preparation. So one bottle of the 5 litre we've used up already to just clean up the fish and ready to wash the plantain and the banana and boil the banana. So we're on the next bottle, people, just to wash the vegetables now. You understand? We're outside now. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe people. Because we're there. So come in a little bit closer now, yeah? Because I want to just show you the final process of what's going to be happening today.
Yes, everyone, as you can see, if you ever smell the Scotch bonnet pepper and the aroma that is bringing off right now. Yeah, man, the garnish is ready, people. Alright. Boiled plant, boiled banana, people. Boiled banana, boiled green banana, and fish, people. A good vibe, original Jamaican style, no? Green banana boil up, you know? Yeah, man, a good vibes. See the fish, them, yeah? Oh, nice one. See the green banana them there boil up. Mad move. Outside.
Good food, good food.
See me, good food, good vibes. See me, feed the people, see me. Rastafari. Yeah!
Ringo Vision.